Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Passcode is deemed to be one of the most essential functions of your iPhone, especially it is required if you want to perform a factory reset of your iPhone from settings. But in case if you don't remember it, you should factory reset your iPhone. In this review we'll show some helpful solutions for you in order to reset your iPhone without a pen effortlessly. Let's get started. For the first step, we'll use the default Apple services, namely iTunes, that is installed right on our PC or Mac computer. First, launch iTunes on Windows or Finder on Mac and put your iPhone into recovery mode. Please note that the method of entering recovery mode varies depending on your iPhone generation. You can find the specific steps here. For iPhone 8 and later, press and quickly release the volume up button. Press and quickly release the volume down button. Then press and hold the side button until you see the connect to computer screen. For iPhone 7 and 7 Plus, press and hold the top or side and volume down buttons at the same time. Then keep holding them until you see the connect to computer screen. For iPhone 6 and earlier models, press and hold both the home and the top or side buttons at the same time. Then keep holding them until you see the connect to computer screen. Next, iTunes or Finder will detect your iPhone in recovery mode and prompt you to restore or update the device. In the dialog box, choose the restore option, which erases all the data on your iPhone and installs the latest iOS version. Then follow on the screen instructions to complete the restore process and set up your iPhone as the new one. The second tip will be suitable for you if you have previously set up and activated Find My iPhone, iPad or iPod Touch feature on your device and have access to an iCloud account linked to it. You can remotely erase your iPhone. For that, simply go to the official iCloud.com website on your computer or another device and sign in with your Apple ID and password. Then open the Find My feature. Then from here, select your device from the list of the devices associated with your Apple ID account. Then find and click on Erase iPhone to initiate the remote wipe process. This will also erase all the data from your iPhone, including the PIN or passcode. Once the erase process is done, you can set up your iPhone as the new one. Last but not least, for the third tip, we recommend you the most powerful, efficient, and user-friendly utility as AnyUnlock application. AnyUnlock is a powerful iPhone password unlock tool, and unlock screen passcode feature will help you to solve this issue. Now let us show you how to do it. Simply follow the link in the description to download and run AnyUnlock application right on your PC or Mac computer. Then connect your iPhone to it via USB or Type-C cable. Then in the pop-up dialog window, select Unlock Screen Passcode option and click on Start Now button. Next, put your iPhone into recovery mode according to its generation and click on Download Firmware option. When the latest iOS version that is suitable for your device is downloaded, click on Unlock Now button. Here, please wait patiently for the unlock process to be completed. After the screen passcode is removed, set up your iPhone and use it as you've done before. And here you go! Just so simple as that. Hope that all the tips were kinda useful. Don't forget to subscribe on our channel, like this review and share it with your friends on the social nets. Thanks for watching and see you soon. Peace.